Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing really very well. So, what are we making today? As the description has shown you, we are going to make a simple and delicious carrot cake. So, let's get started and take your bakery skills from basic to brilliant. Our batter is ready. You can see it. It's really nice and pouring consistency. Let's keep it on one side and grease the pan. We are taking 1 kg cake tin over here. We are greasing it with oil and then lining it with a butter paper. If you don't have butter paper, you can always use a white paper and grease it from both the sides with oil. Pour in the batter, level it and give it a tap so that there are no air bubbles left. Yay, our cake is ready. Now it's the time for baking. Once it bakes, make sure you cool it down and later on you can take out the butter paper. Let's head on to the cheese cream. For making the cheese cream, we are going to take cream cheese and powder sugar and mix it nicely with the help of a beater. Make sure there are no lumps. Once that is done, we are going to add whipped cream to it and then again mix it with the help of a beater. A delicious creamy cheese cream is ready. Now let's head on to the garnishing of the cake. I've filled the cream cheese in a piping bag with a plain nozzle and let's garnish the cake now. I'm applying roasted chopped walnuts to garnish the cake on the edges. And finally decorating it with some carrots which I've already made. So you can see the delicious, yummiest ever cake is ready. So guys, stay tuned for such delicious recipes on my channel. So what you have to do for that? Just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So do subscribe and try this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section below. Till then, stay connected and stay safe. Bye.